Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you can turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding roofing businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name, and you'll pick from the first few results down below in the organic search results or in the Google Map Pack. And now, these two options seem to be a pretty popular way to find businesses, as there's about 320 searches every single month on Google for San Francisco roofing companies. And the goal of this video is to put your website or your business at the forefront of those searches so we can guarantee that 320 people every single month see your business first before looking at another company. Now, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we need to understand. First off, we're going to talk about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitors, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and take a look at your website and see how you stack up and compare. So here we have Excelsior Roofing, and if we scroll down their site, one thing you're going to notice is that they do have a paragraph of content, but they don't really have a lot of content. And what that is that leaves the door open for somebody like you to go in and outrank them because content is very important on Google as it gives users something to engage with. It ultimately promotes a positive user experience, which is exactly what Google's looking for when they're looking to promote a website to the first page. So we definitely want a lot of content, and if we went through their content even further, even though it's very little, we'd also see that they have tons of industry specific keywords. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google some vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we have a very contentful site, and also that we have industry specific keywords to back that content. So, let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. So now here we are on your website, and as I scroll through it, I noticed that you didn't have any content on this page, and we really want to change that because, like I said, content is very important on Google, and it promotes a positive user experience. So very contentful site. I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. However, feel free to go above and beyond that if you can. Now, we want to take that one step further as well and start getting our industry specific keywords. Those are going to be keywords like roofing, San Francisco, and really anything we want Google to know about our business. So, very important that we not only have content, but that we have the keywords to back it. But now that's only going to be the first half of our entire process here. That's the internal side of things. We also have our external side of things. Now, our external side of things consists of backlinks, citations, and a bunch of other different things that we won't touch on in this video. However, let's go back to your competitor, take a look at their backlink structure, see what they're doing so far, and then we'll compare that to your website. So taking a look at your competitor on a tool I have called Ahrefs, you'll see your competitor has about 3,400 backlinks built to their site, and it's generating them an extra 140 users every single month. Now, 140 users isn't too much, so there's a lot of potential out there to capture even more of that traffic, but those 140 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their backlink structure. Now, in order to get traffic, or I should say, users like how they are, we need to go above and beyond them in every aspect. So if they have 3,400 backlinks, we're going to want upwards of 7,000 backlinks, maybe even 10,000 to really push those margins. But now let's go over to your website and see what you're doing so far. So now here we are looking at your website, and you currently have 62 backlinks, which drives you about 2 organic users every single month. Now, those 62 backlinks are a good place to start, but we're definitely going to need to elaborate on those because our website is a 24/7 salesperson for us. It makes sales at 3 in the morning, it makes sales at 10 at night. So we need to give it the resources it needs to really close out those sales, and that's going to be our backlinks, our content, our industry specific keywords, and even our citations. So let's go over the Google Map Pack and talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. Google, and if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack, and the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different things when it ranks its company. One of the most important things being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business is listed, such as Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, essentially just all the places your business's name, address, and phone number are online, and all those are different citations you can get for your business. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and found that the number one spot had 72 citations, followed by 57, and lastly, 44. So, if number one has 72 citations, we're going to want 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our keywords. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic your business is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that your website is bringing back for you month over month. Now that's all I have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, which is what could an extra 320 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational. Thank you for watching.